so hi guys, it's only 21 RC, you know. So today I'm gonna show you how to make something beautiful. And so today we're gonna be working somebody's picture. Like, she's a beautiful music queen, she's got an amazing voice. You should check out her music. Her name is Wezi Heartsound. Okay, so for today I'm gonna show you how to make regular pictures like this one into something like this. Okay, yeah, so for those of you who haven't subscribed to my page, you better hit the subscribe button. I need that. Hit that button right now. I need that. Yeah, so let's get to it, guys. And for the applications we're gonna be using sketchbook and PicsArt. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what we need. So let's get to it, guys.
Mwana wa dada awa milenji kunani nkana yungani mila, because my skin is gold. Praises to the most high God, incredible is who I am. Nina muwe mengago. I am beautiful. With my hair, my skin, I'm amazing. I am wonderful. Bold as the sun, I am blazing. Black and beautiful, that's who I am. That's who I am. Black and beautiful, that's who I am. Oh. Mama Africa is what they call me. Mama Zambia is who I be. I carry the pride of 1,000,000 women. Wana wakumawa tupi yangu neo ile munga chalo changu. Swing my hips with the curves of the motherland. Nuwala chitambala like it's a crown on my head. I am beautiful. With my hair and my skin, I'm amazing. I am wonderful. Bold as the sun, I am blazing. Black and beautiful, that's who I am. That's who I am. Black and beautiful, that's who I am.
Lord, why did you make me black? Why did you make me something the world would attack? I hear them saying that our race don't crack. Probably cause after the whips, God's grace had our backs. He said, baby, all of the roads have been paved. Don't ever let them take you back to slavery's days. Unless it's to remember you were born kings, and that you're all victors when the fat lady sings. And the greatest in you, it isn't a myth. And you're a being even the sun can't resist. Your complexion reflects every time by him you're kissed. When they ask to ooze perfection, tell them this. Tell them that you are black. Tell them that you are bold. Tell them before the diamond you pay respect to coal. Tell them that you are deaf, passion and soul. Many are scared of darkness, but that's where the brightest glow.
Beautiful. With my hair and my skin, I'm amazing. I am wonderful.